Basically, in this video, we are going to discuss about morphology of chromosomes. Morphology of chromosomes. In last video, we have seen the introduction of chromosomes and DNA, especially chromosomes. In another video, we will also discuss DNA as well. So in this video, we are going to discuss morphology of chromosome. But before that, I am going to discuss some terms about the chromosome that was remaining of the last video. Like basically chromosomes, when chromosome is visible, like while dividing, the chromosome visible during metaphase of cell division. Chromosome visible during metaphase of cell division. It is visible during metaphase of cell division. Another point is that chromosomes was first discovered by Strasbourger in 1875. It was first described by Strasbourger in 1875 maybe, yeah. Term chromosome. Here's a question. Who coined the term chromosome? Basically, this term was coined by Valdier. I didn't remember the year exactly, but I know the name, that it was coined by Valdier. Now we are going towards the morphology of chromosome. In morphology of chromosome, we have some terms like what are chromatids, chromosomal arms, chromonema, satellite DNA. We'll discuss this, satellite DNA. And then we have a lot like nucleolus organizing region, NOR region, centromere. What is centromere? Secondary constitution. There is telomere. So this comes in the morphology of chromosome. So here we are going to discuss all of these points. So let's go with that. Now here we have here a structure of chromosome. This is somehow like this. It's maybe gonna be the video for a lot of time. So here this is the structure of chromosome. First of all, these two strands, these are basically symmetrical or longitudinal strands. These are symmetrical or longitudinal strands. Here this in the center we have, this is known as a centromere. This is known as a centromere. Further we have also types of centromere, so we'll discuss this later, but here I'm going to tell you that this is the centromere. After that, these two strands, like these are known as chromatids. Like this one strand and this one strand, these are known as chromatids. And here these two are known as sister chromatids. These are known as sister chromatids. This one is known as the chromosomal arm. Like this can be also the chromosomal arm, this can be also a chromosomal arm. So chromosomal arm, this one is known as a chromosomal arm. Now if we see the structure of this one strand, carefully, so we see like we go in detail over the structure of one strand. Like we have a structure like we have discussed this. These are 2 chromosomes, but now we are going to discuss of this one strand. So here we have structure like so this is structure of, it's not good I know, but this is structure of one strand of chromosome. This will start from here. This one is known as a satellite DNA. This is known as a satellite DNA. This is, we'll say satellite DNA is basically junk DNA, or we can say as well, we can say useless DNA. Yeah. This is also known as junk DNA or useless DNA. After that, here this is known as the secondary constitution. This is known as a secondary constitution. And here this region in secondary constitution, this is known as secondary constitution. So this region in secondary constitution, this is known as NOR. What is meant by NOR? This is basically the region where nucleolus organize. This is a nucleolus organizing region. Nucleolus organizing region, here where nucleolus appear. As we all know, nucleus make a ribosome, but here this is NOR and is known as the nucleolus organizing region. So I want to discuss one point here of secondary constitution is that in secondary constitution region nucleolus, as I told you, that's a nucleus organizing region, but it's not present in every cell. This secondary constitution is not present in every cell. It's not present in every cell. And this satellite DNA is also not present in every cell, but if it's present in any cell of its chromosome, that will be known as a set chromosome. This is not present in all cells, but if it's present in any cell, that will be known as a set chromosome. That will be known as that chromosome in which satellite DNA will be present, that will be known as a set chromosome. As I said, we were on the NOR. As I discussed, secondary constitution also not present in all cells. After that, here this is known as a centromere. As we discussed, here we will be having another strand. This is the one strand, so this is the centromere. Now in centromere, here kinetochore is present. Now you will ask, what is kinetochore? So centromere has this shape like protein known as a kinetochore. Centromere has this shape like protein known as kinetochore. Basically, what is the work of kinetochore? Why it is present actually? So kinetochore basically provide help to attach with spindle fiber. It helps to attach with spindle fibers. So here kinetochore is present. After that, here this is known as a telomere. This is known as a telomere. I want to conclude one point that in interface of chromosome, in that interface chromosome visible in the form of chromatin fiber. In the interface, this is basically phase of cell division. Chromosome, as we have seen that in metaphase chromosome is visible, but in interphase it's visible but in the form of chromatin fiber. So this was the one point I want to discuss. Come to here. So here we discuss telomere. What is telomere? First of all, telomere will say it is a age restricted. Yeah, it is a age restricted. Like with age, like with increase of age, it will slowly, gradually lost, and then it has one